seeing series of games which you can play at home. This is one of the most popular South Indian traditional games. Even now it is played. And in this series we have already seen two variations in single player game. Okay, one big children's version and one kids version. Today we will see the standard way of playing in South India, mostly Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. First I will teach you how it is played in general in South India, in Tamil Nadu. There are innumerable variations. I will teach you the simplest way of playing. Then I will teach you how generally it is played in Karnataka. Okay, first one is Pallanguli. 7 holes. Each hole has got 5 seeds. Okay, 2 players. This is one player side, that is the other player side. So youngest one starts, or you decide usual way who starts first. So in Tamil Nadu way of playing, player can start only from their side, and from where they take, keep putting one each. Usually they go anti-clockwise direction. Where it ends, take next, or clockwise, whichever direction first player decides. So where it ends, take next. Keep playing. That is rule number 1. Where it ends, take next and keep playing. In single player version, we saw where it ends, take from there. But here, where it ends, take next. Keep playing. Now where it ends, when you can't take next, you do like this, you take all this. This is your booty, or this is what you want. Now it is the opponent's turn. Opponent can also start from their side only. So they start from their side. They go the same way first player went. So keep distributing one each. Where it ends, take next. Same, rule number 1 is start from your side, keep putting one each. Where it ends, take next. Now rule number 2, whenever you get 4 on your side, you have to collect it irrespective of whoever is playing. Now opponent is playing, but I got 4, I will collect it. So it ended here, it's still opponent playing, take next and continue to play. So this is a very good game for hand-eye coordination, mental maths, and so it ended here. Next one is empty, so you have to take the next one. Opponent got only 0. Okay, now it's my turn again. So I have to decide. The strategy involves only in deciding where to start. Okay, so if I start from here, again I won't get anything, or I can split it and keep continuing. So I will do this. I will start here. Opponent got 4. Now it ended here. I will continue to play. One each. Oh, my 3 I am splitting it. Where it ends, next is empty. I got only 3. Now again it's opponent's turn. Opponent again has to decide from where to start. If they start from here, they will break this. If they start from here, they won't get anything. So that's the only strategy involved there. So suppose opponent decided to split this. Start from their side, keep putting one each. Rule number 1. Rule number 2 is collect 4 from your side irrespective of whoever is playing. So where it ends, take next. Where it ends, take next is empty. So opponent got only 1. Now my turn again. Obviously I won't be able to get this. So I will split this, so that at least I will feed my holes. So this game, actually they say it is very good for teaching resource management. Where it ends, take next, collect 4, collect 4. So collecting 4 is your savings, and take next and play. See, collect 4, savings. It is multitasking as well. Collect 4. Now opponent is collecting 4. So it ended here, I got nothing. So again it's opponent's turn. Suppose opponent want to get 4. So opponent collected 4. Then where it ends, take next, continue to play. If you keep playing, the game will end when every seed is over, every hole is empty. So collecting 4, where it ends, take next, 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 take next, where it ends, you can't take next, and your turn ends. Now my turn. So we should try to maximize our benefits. So this 3 I don't want to break it, but if I don't break it, opponent will take this. So anyway I will try this. 1, 2, I got 3, very good. I got 2. So now again opponent's turn. Opponent will try to play within themselves. So opponent will do this, split this, and got nothing. Now my turn. I will try to take 1 from the opponent. Now opponent's turn. Opponent I'll do this, got nothing. Now my turn, I don't want them to get this, so I'll split this, I'll give this, then I will collect my 4. So opponent, now if they don't want to give anything to me, they can just do this. I have to just give it to them now. Do this, then I got 2. So opponent's turn, opponent will do this and collect 2. Now my turn, I will just do this and do this. Now opponent's turn, opponent will do this, take this. My turn, I do this and collect 1. Opponent's turn, my turn, opponent's turn. Again, I don't have any game to play, so opponent's turn, opponent will just do this and this. Now again opponent's turn, do this, take this, do this, nothing, do this, take this, and 1 they can take. To see who is the winner, fill it with 5 each. 5, 5, 5. That is how we started. So fill it with 5 each. So it seems I am the winner with 5 points. Okay, just to prove that it is pure maths. Okay, so they say this 5 is your fixed income. Within this, you have to feed everybody in your family, take care of your friends and relatives, and make money. That is, when empty, take the next one, and save money. That's your collecting force. See, it is maths. I got 5 and they got 5 less. Now, if you want to continue the game, I am the winner only when the opponent accepts the defeat. Otherwise, they can challenge me. If they challenge me, they have to block this and continue to play as if this hole doesn't exist. So they don't serve here, even I don't serve here. And for all practical purposes, for after this is the next. So if this is empty, you can collect this, something like that. So clear winner will emerge only when somebody closes all the holes. And this also teaches life lessons. Even using one hole, you can win back everything. So try to play this game. And tomorrow I will teach you the variation in Karnataka, which is anyway similar. There are empty number of variations. You know how it is played as Mankala, Vamana Gudalu, all of them we will see one by one. Today this is simplest way of playing Pallanguli level 1 and Tamil Nadu way of playing it. Please play, enjoy and let me know how do you like it.